My name is Rodia, and today we are going to learn how to create a character creator in Scratch. So, if I've done this topic before, then don't be angry because I'm doing it again intentionally. So, firstly, going to have to click on create because that's the first thing we click on all the time. And it turns out the opposite of purple is a very groggy green. Now we have to wait for it to load. Sorry, it's taking unusually long to load. And I don't know why. I'm just going to pause the video and then replay it again when it's done loading. Okay, so now Scratch has finally finished loading. It turns out the opposite of orange is dark yellow. This orange. So firstly, we're going to delete the scratch cards. And then we're going to have to draw a character that you're going to be using for your character creator. So I should have kept it paused so that I could draw a character or an animal or just anything. As long as you know that it's suitable for creating a character, like not something like an art piece or something like that. Turns out the opposite of this green is purple, the opposite of this is green. I'll just pause the recording. Okay, so now I finished drawing what I'm going to draw for my character creator. So there's this thing I like to do to whatever I make is that I'm going to get a change color effect and set it to pixelate. Oops, no, not change. It's supposed to be a set color effect. Change it to pixelate. So and then and make sure not to set it to too much or else this will happen. But not to set it to too little. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be 10. Or else the pixelate effect wouldn't really be what it's supposed to be. Okay, so try 50. No, too much. Let's try 30. Still too much. Let's try 20. This is better, but we'll try 15. I guess this is better. So now we convert it to bitmap. And I'm going to remove this at pixelate effect. And now that the graphic effects are cleared, it is a bitmap. Well, instead of adding pixelate effects, I'm going to reduce the size. Then it will become more like pixelated. again, increase the size again, then I can reduce the size again, decrease it. But sometimes that doesn't go very well, so I have to undo everything. Well, although doing this is not necessary, just usually do it. Oh yeah, and also, if it looks very imperfect, well, at least on the screen it doesn't. Well, so I'm going to just leave it because it doesn't look imperfect here. The only thing that is like not good about it is the legs. I'm going to have to use the eraser to erase part of it. Like one. Okay, so now that I'm done with all of the pixelation effects and blah blah blah, in the code I'm going to add a when flag clicked forever and add nothing there. You might be wondering, why did I add nothing in that when flag clicked forever? It's just something I usually do when I know that there's not going to be any forever in my project. So if there's not going to be any forever in my project, I just do that. Now I'm going to start with like accessories. So first I'm going to draw a circle. The circle's not meant to be purple. Let's draw an orange circle. Copy it and then paste it, and then add should it be blue, or then add this shade of red, then copy it and paste it, add it here, copy it and paste it, and add it here, copy it, paste it, add it here, copy, paste, add here. Now I'll set this orange one to the front, or maybe should I set it? I think it looks better when it's set to the back, not the front. So now I'm going to convert it to bitmap, convert it to vector, then keep on doing that. Actually, keeping on doing that isn't really going to do anything, so I'm going to have to reduce its size, then increase its size, undo. I think I reduced its size too much, so I'm going to reduce it a smaller amount this time. Whatever, so I'm just going to leave it like this, because doing anything with further is unnecessary. So now it's not in the front, so let me set this to front. go to front layer. Now I think this doesn't look pixelated, and also I'm still going to have to reduce its size. The only reason why I didn't want to reduce its size is because this place is fish shaped, so I gotta just edit that. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the brush to this color. The brush size is too large. One is too small. Two. Okay, two is the correct size. So just going to change this middle part shape. Okay, since that shape is good, I'm not going to make it a perfect square because that just ruins everything. So now I'm going to add another costume called blank. Whatever, I'm not going to change the name. Delete everything. Put this at the beginning. And then in costume 2, I'm going to duplicate it. And then, well, I'm just going to have to add something to it, so I'm going to have to convert it to vector again. But I'm not going to delete this, because I'm going to use it for where I'm going to position whatever else I'm making. So this time I'm going to make a headband. So first I'm going to create a black line and make it longer. I'm going to have to keep on making it longer. Oops. Okay, so I'm just going to keep on editing the points until this is where I want it to be. And now I can delete this, or maybe not, or maybe yes. And then this line I'm going to change its thickness and change the color to something else, cause black, well, some people may like black, but I just don't prefer using black in my things. Okay, so now just going to adjust this a little, and then, well, most of it is just making accessories. So here we're just only going to be adding these and nothing else, because this video is already becoming too long. Now I will add color like yellow, or maybe orangish yellow. And I'm going to add it over here, then copy it, paste it, add another one over here, and then copy it and paste it, and then blah blah blah. You can make your own accessories. I'm just making mine because I can't really help you with making yours because I'm not at your house. Blah blah blah. So if you know how to draw, I think it's better not to just copy what I do. Convert it to this map. Then I'm going to reduce the size again. Reduce. Then increase. Now I think, even though there's this part that looks cut off, I think it's already good. So now that we have made both of these, so we're going to add a button. I'm just going to press paint and then a button. Okay, so since I'm feeling a little bit too lazy to design it, I'm just going to leave it as a purple box. But if I were ever to share this project, I would just leave it as a purple box. Right, text that says ACC. ACC is just search for accessory. I always have to change the handwriting, even if, well, I am too lazy to change the box color. I still have to change the handwriting because if I don't, then everything is ruined. Then I'm going to add, when this sprite clicked, broadcast message 1. I could leave it as message 1, but I'm going to change it so that, well, it can be more good. And I'm going to add a, and I receive ACC. Then next costume. Okay, so you could add the clicking sound, but I'm too lazy to do that. So now you know how to make accessories, so just do everything else by yourself. So if I posted a tutorial on how to make character creator before, well, this tutorial is basically just a more in-depth tutorial. But if I have instead, it's not. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!